How to use Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars. It's a very easy process. So all you want to do is just simply open your Android device. Go to your game and simply start your game. Now once you're in the shop section of your game where you want to buy some gems or whatever you want, just enter the gift card right over there if you have the option. And if in any case, if you don't have that option, then simply head over to your Play Store. Click on your profile at the very top right corner. Different options will be visible to you. Manage apps and device, notification and offers, payment and subscriptions, Play Protect, library, and many more. But all you want to do is head over to payment and subscriptions. It will land you on this page. In this page, proceed to redeem code. This interface will pop up on your screen. In this section, you simply have to enter the code of your gift card, or you can simply scan the gift card with the help of the scanner. Once you have entered the code, click on redeem at the bottom. After that, you will be able to redeem the Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.